Today, I'll explain why you should get an LLC and whether it's the right move for your business. Reason number one, an LLC separates you from your business legally. This means your personal assets like your bank account, car, or home are protected if the business is sued or goes into debt. Reason 2, LLCs offer flexible tax options. By default, profits pass through to you personally, avoiding double taxation. You can also elect S-Corp taxation later to potentially save on self-employment taxes. Reason 3, having an LLC makes your business look more legit and trustworthy. Customers, partners, and banks take registered businesses more seriously. Reason 4, LLCs are easy to form and manage compared to corporations. There are fewer formal rules, less paperwork, and lower ongoing costs. Reason number 5, an LLC can have one owner or multiple owners. You can also choose how profits are split regardless of ownership percentage, using an operating agreement. Who should get an LLC now? It's best for freelancers, online businesses, startups, and small business owners. Not always necessary for hobbies or very small side gigs. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.